How to fix message not sending problem on Facebook Messenger. If your messages are not sending on Facebook Messenger, then try these fixes. First of all, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Or you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or simply restart your router if using your Wi-Fi. Once you have checked your internet connection and it is on stable mode, then all you have to do is go to any web browser on your mobile device. Here I am going to the Safari. Now in the search address bar, visit Down Detector. Simply type down the Down Detector and tap on the first option available there and navigate to its official website. So now what happens is, Down Detector will let you see if Messenger is facing any outage or not, as in check if Messenger is down or not. In search address bar, search for the Messenger and tap on the Messenger at the top, and it will let you know that if Messenger server is down or not. If it is, then you will know the reason behind why you are not being able to send your messages to anybody. Now, if there is no problem in Down Detector as well, then all you have to do is go to the home screen. Now inside the home screen, tap on the App Store or Google Play Store for Android, and in the search address bar, simply type down the Messenger and tap on the Messenger, and if there is an update option available right next to it, check for the update and update it to the latest version. So that is it. Also know or check if you are blocked. If your messages are not sending to a specific person, then they may have also blocked you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.